Hello students, welcome to Extreme Telugu. In this video, we will discuss 10th class physics lesson number 1, that is reflection of light at curved surfaces. Today, we shall learn what are the differences between real and virtual images and what are the differences between concave and convex mirrors. This is very important 2 marks question for 10th class students. So without making any delay, let us get into the topic. First, real images versus virtual images. What are real images and what are virtual images? Real images are those images which can be caught on screen. For example, you go to cinema hall. In cinema hall, you will be having a big screen and a projector will project an image on the screen. Such kind of images which are projected through lenses or through mirrors onto the screen, they are called as real images and they form in the real world. Whereas the images that cannot be caught onto the screen, they cannot be caught on the screen, they are called as virtual images. Real images are always inverted. That means real images are always upside down. We need an inverter to see the images upside up once again. Real images are always inverted and virtual images are always erect. Erect means upside up and downside down. Real images are formed in the real world, whereas virtual images are formed inside the mirror. The screen is present in the real world. On screen, image is formed means image is formed in the real world. Whereas the world which is there inside the mirror cannot be touched. If you see the other side of the mirror, it is nothing. In the mirror, you can have entire world seen. That is non-existing world. It is virtual world. It is false world. So the images which are formed inside the mirror, they are also false. So real images are formed in the real world, whereas virtual images are formed inside the mirror. Most of the times, real images are formed by concave mirrors. Convex mirrors cannot form real images. Real images are formed by concave mirrors, whereas virtual images are formed by convex mirrors. Concave mirrors form real images. Convex mirrors form virtual images. I repeat, real images can be caught on screen. Virtual images cannot be caught on screen. Real images are always inverted, upside down. Virtual images are always erect, upside up. Real images are formed in the real world, on the screen. Virtual images are formed inside the mirror. Real images are formed by concave mirrors. Virtual images are formed by convex mirrors. This is the difference between real and virtual images. Let us see what are the differences between concave and convex mirrors. Concave mirrors are bulged inside. For example, if I take a concave mirror, it is bulged inside. And from outside, there is a coating called as silver coating. Concave mirrors are bulged inside and outside they have got the silver coating. Whereas convex mirrors are bulged outside, from inside they have got the silver coating. They are bulged outside and inside they have got the silver coating. Concave mirrors form the real images. Now only we studied real images are formed by concave mirrors. The meaning itself is concave mirrors form the real images. In all the 5 cases, except in the one case where the object is kept between pole and focus. There it forms a virtual image inside the mirror. So many of the times concave mirrors form real images and convex mirrors always form virtual images which are erect. You know very well that real images are always inverted. These concave mirrors are used as makeup mirrors, shaving mirrors, light reflectors in vehicles and street lights, and they are used by dentists and ENT doctors. These are the uses of concave mirrors. And convex mirrors, they are used as rear view mirrors, roadside mirrors, parking side mirrors, and vigilance mirrors, etc. I repeat once again, concave mirrors are bulged inside and silvered outside. Convex mirrors are bulged outside and silvered inside. Concave mirrors always produce real and inverted images, except in one case, that is, if the object is kept in between pole and focus. Convex mirrors are always producing erect and virtual images. Concave mirrors are used as shaving mirrors, makeup mirrors, etc. Convex mirrors are used as rear view mirrors. Hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends and well-wishers. Our channel is Extreme Telugu. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.